Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow calls and notifications from people or apps when focus is on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. And in Focus, you want to tap on Sleep. Okay, go to the Allowed Notifications section and tap on People. In here, you can choose who you want to allow to call you or send you notifications while sleeping mode is turned on. Okay, so tap on Add People, and from the contacts list, select the contacts that you want to be able to call you. You can select one or multiple contacts, and then after you have selected the contacts, tap on Done. And now you can tap on Apps. So tap on the Apps tab at the top here, and in here tap on Add App, and in here go down the list and select which apps can send you notifications while you are in sleep mode or while the sleep focus is turned on. So in here you can choose a messenger app or a reminders. So you can choose reminders app or perhaps a calendar, and then tap on Done. And that's it. Now you can tap on the back key to go back to the sleep setting page. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.